Alright, here. We get rolling. Alright. Make sure the camera's rolling here. Okay, this is the new HD camera. Alright, yeah. Somebody told me on YouTube, hey, that MP15 can't accept GI magazines. GI magazines. The GI magazines. I mean, come on now. I mean, oh well. Okay. Hopefully none of the shells hit my camera. Alright. Uh-oh, look like somebody's wrong. GI magazines. GI magazines. I sure wish people were more smart than what they were. Oh look, Wolf ammo. No blown primers. Wolf ammo's the best. Okay, let's see what kind of damage we did over here. See how far this is. Hope I didn't step in dog shit. I think I did. That would be bad. 50 yards. I wasn't even trying to hit anything too much. I need to adjust my sights. Actually, the only thing I think I was trying to hit was the lemon, and all my holes are over here kinda, so I need to adjust this way. But the wind was kind of blowing a little bit. Not too bad, I mean just barely. But for 50 yards it shouldn't really make a hell. But backstop. Let's see, I seen something go splat over here. I think that's what that was. What I had hit. Right there. Yeah, that's what I hit. Let's go down. I'm zooming up pretty good. Ooh. That was a lot of hits been hit there. See what else we got down here. This little pier ain't no good. They built it out of non-treated wood. Oh, now if Mr. Turtle's out there, I could zoom up on him and you could see him. That's what I should. Okay, I'll show you where Mr. Turtle always stays. Let me find it right there. That's where Mr. Turtle always hides out. And you see, for some reason Mr. Turtle has been narrowly escaping death a lot. And you can see why I've been taking pop shots and missing Mr. Turtle, because Mr. Turtle's pretty quick. When I take that first shot, he's rolling. But I don't think I have that problem once I get my AR adjusted just perfect. But anyways, this tree is and a lot of my videos have been shot up really good on down. Let's see how far. All that right there. Oh yes. Yep, that's the tree that's been getting shot at in a lot of my videos. Right there. Mm-hmm. Yep. GI mags. I can't believe. I mean, come on now. At least it gave me a chance to hey, you don't want to get in that. That's a bad little plant to get in. But anyways, I can't believe that idiot on YouTube, you know who you are. He watches all my videos. I mean, come on, a GI magazine? That MP15 can't take a GI magazine. It must be crazy. Let's see right here. Uh-oh. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, GI magazines. That's funny. That is death funny. GI. Yeah. Anyways. He was wrong. Anyways, I'll see y'all bitches later. Oh hell, I forgot to say what's up bitches, I think. Oh well.